Mike, fantastic to have you here at Airborne ISR this year. Can you tell us a little bit about your company and what's brought you to the conference this year?
We're Third Evolution. We're based in Phoenix, Arizona. And for many years, we were in the industrial space. And then 3 months ago, we were in Norfolk, Virginia with NATO. And there was a suggestion that in the military side, the areas of expertise we have might have value and benefit by attending this show and meeting some of the more analytical needing companies associated with the military.
So obviously you're coming from a different sector. From the discussions you've heard today, what differences do you see immediately?
I guess the first one would be that I feel like we're coming from the future by 20 years. And so the concerns that we're hearing about proving the efficacy of our solutions are things that we solved 20 years ago in the industrial space. So we're still trying to recalibrate to the point in time of the development of the software on the military sector.
And exactly what sort of software or services are you bringing to the table in that sense?
Sure. It's advanced analytics. It's based, we're a process engineering firm, so we decompose a process, we optimize it, we automate it, and then we optimize the automation. And so the bureaucracies fit very well with how our software works, because we can take a lot of the rule-based elements of a bureaucracy and automate that. And then the command component, which is human decision-making, we've been applying that for a while in the industrial sector. So moving over to government or military, it's a good fit. We're experienced there, and now it's just about, there is a need, but we're having to slow down the amount of value we can bring so that they can digest the more basic aspects of the benefit.
Well, we've already heard from the sessions a lot of optimism about the possibilities of automation and AI. There is also this sense of fear, perhaps, from our leadership to invite more machines into this domain. What can you tell us about how we balance that?
The specific to the analytical aspect, so you've got the human analytical aspect and then the automated analytical aspect. The amount of data that's being created is exponentially growing, and we can't justifiably exponentially grow our human resources, and we're already behind. And so every day that growth is exponentially running away from us. And one of the big issues that we're hearing is that the analysts, the thousands of analysts that different militaries may use, aren't really analyzing, they're searching for data. And so what we want to do, what we can do, is with the application of some of these advanced analytic tools, is do the searching for them and then allow those analysts to actually do what they're trained to do and analyze the data.
Why hasn't militaries from wherever in the world, why haven't we looked towards the industry, the commercial sector, and those who seem to have been doing this for years, only until now?
I don't know. It's an interesting concept. What we're hearing is that you have to have enough pain to want to change. And so I think that there's been enough pain that they're saying, okay, we need to try something different. Again, back to the exponential growth and the human inability to keep up with it. I think that's the primary reason.
Obviously here at Airborne ISR, we're trying to bridge the gap between the end users and innovators. How has this event been useful to you?
It's extremely useful. First, knowing that the military leadership completely understands what the circumstances are and what the needs are. And so this meeting is putting together topic-specific, topic-relevant people from industry and the military so they can come together and try and find the best way to accomplish that integration and still appease the military complex that needs to move a little bit slower, wants to be absolutely sure of every step. So it's been fantastic relative to the people you get to meet with interface and have lengthy, in-depth discussions, not just a handshake passing in the hall.
Well, it's been a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having us.